So this is the Internlink platform. So Internlink is basically a job-based platform where candidate can come, they can apply for the jobs, and the employee side can come, they can post the job for whatever the role they want and all. So it's just, but it's vary in whatever the other traditional platforms are in the market right now. Because if you say at the Naukri, then the Antanshala and other platforms, so they what happens like the employee side posts the job and candidates will apply in just one night, something like in just one day you'll get 1,000 candidates. And what the employee side has to do, they has to take this candidate's resume, they have to get it through the ATS, then they will filter it from there, they will get the 100 candidates from the 1,000 candidates, and then you have to send them the assignment or assessment link or the test link through you can get your fit candidate for that particular job role. And it's a very lengthy process for now. Like if we are looking at the current market, it's changing a lot, so we need to hire people in a very quick time. So for that, to meet these requirements, we thought about the Internlink to build some platform where the hiring should be in like in just 2 3 days. Like once we put the job post, whatever the candidates I got, like in just 1 2 days, I would able to hire that candidates. To make it fast, we thought building this platform. This is like as you could see, the jobs are posted by the employees, and the candidates can look up the jobs. They can go to the job details. They can view all the jobs, and based on like their current requirement, whatever the job role they want, they can search it over here, like software developer. You could see based on that they can search it, they can basically uh, filter their whatever the experience job they want, and based on their location, then based on their pay, whatever they want. And the other thing as well, like they want full time or like the part time. It's based on their preferences. So the most important thing about the Interlink is right now, as you could see, at the time of applying, what the other platform is, the unnecessary students who are not interested in the job, just by the others are applying, they just apply the job randomly. And you get like the people who are not, you end up getting the people who are not interested in the job role, still they are applying it. So for here, what we have this small test while applying the job. While you click on the apply now, you have to give a small test, and there the candidates go back. Like the non-interested candidates won't go ahead with the test. That's the best thing about this platform is, as you could see, as I start applying the job, I would have to go through a small test. Right now, as you could see, this is the like the instruction site. It's written over here, and happy to tell you that 3 4 days before there was no proctoring was there. There was just a simple test the candidate has to give. Now you have added the AI proctoring over here, and like just like last week, I created the microservice for this with the Python, and it just took like half an hour to integrate with this current platform. So really happy to share you that thing as well. And you could see there are some set of instructions written here while giving the test, what you should take care of. And these are like the proctoring things we are taking care of right now as a video factory. And you could see at the time of verification, you can't verify it without a candidate, the candidate needs to be in frame. So we are thinking of getting some like other documents or other photo as well for the verification. But right now you could see, you can start with this one. And yeah, uh, if I'm not in frame, it won't get verified. You could see verification failed. It's because the candidate, the person has to be in face, because it's detecting the face, whether the face is in the frame or not. So as you could see, now the verification is successful, so I can go ahead with the test. So yeah, right now I am the test. So as you could see, I was out of focus. I got the warning, and also getting the voice warning that there's some background noise, please avoid it and all. So this is none other than the simple test platform. But you could see, that's the beauty. It comes with the proctoring, and later on we'll integrate some code platform into it. but as we go ahead, but for now, like we kept it simple as of like what we used to give at the university level. So you can like give the answers, you can save your answers, you can mark it for review, and like if you skip your question you will get the red mark. So you can go back to your question and you can give the answer. So there are a lot of things like while detecting, you could see now like for first thing when I go out of the camera, like I got the warning that you are out of focus, please be in the focus. So this is the one thing we are taking care of. The second one is like if there is a multiple people in the frame, so it detects that as well. So what happens like at the end, what we are thinking now, it's currently it's not in, I would say, that thing we have not taken care of, uh, uh, giving the score based on the current uh, the warnings from the proctoring thing. But we are thinking of integrate keeping your score based on the whatever the warnings you're getting while the test and all. So it will be good for the employee side as well, like who was the best candidate for the job role. And yeah, then the other warnings are also there, like other detection is also there. You could see if I took the mobile phone into a frame, then it will detect that as well, like. So you could see the cell phone is detected, it's an unauthorized device. So they are like kind of we are also detecting the laptop. If you bring the laptop, then it will detect that as well. Then yeah, we can scale up to a lot of devices, whatever we want, it's array. So we can put whatever devices we want, it will detect that as well with the algorithm. And the next thing is about is like it also detects if the none other than verified person comes and start giving the test, so it will detect that as well. Let me show you that demo as well, like how it works. So you could see now, there is the how unknown face detected. So now it's showing unknown face detected because the other person it detects and his face was not matching the face which he has verified at the start of the test. And yeah, that's the beauty of what this platform is. You could see there are like few verification we have added in the proctoring right now. But and the beauty of this is like we have used a very basic algorithm for the detection. Still it's working, it's very efficient. But when we'll go ahead and like we'll start with building customized the algorithms for proctoring, then it will be more efficient in terms of detecting the devices and like the other things like what we have to take care of while proctoring. And yeah, as we go ahead, we'll also think about putting some AI agent behind, like just automating all these things. So uh, the process gets low, and the application could scale for those things. And yeah, this is the test. And yeah, happy to tell you like we successfully integrated that test, the proctoring service with our application. So yep, this is the Internlink, and I can end the test as well.